Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can use the tools in Servya to quickly find where your competitors may be buying their backlinks, enabling you to take away an advantage that they may have in the never-ending fight for search rankings. This whole process is really simple, and all you'll need to start is Servya and a competitor that you want to investigate. I'm assuming you are already logged into Servya, so we'll start with going to the members dashboard. From here, we want to go to the Domain Tools section in the sidebar and then click Backlink Checker. Here we can use the Real Time Backlink Checker tool to quickly get a list of backlinks pointing to any competitor. I will enter in the competitor to the text box here and click the Check button. Within a couple of seconds we should see the backlinks appear in the table here. There we go. Now we can see Servya has found 10,000 backlinks to our competitor. Now we have the backlinks, we want to send them to the Purchasable Backlink Search Tool. We can do this by clicking the Copy Source to Clipboard button to save them to our clipboard. Then click the link to the Purchasable Link Search Tool in the sidebar. Here we will enter the copied backlinks into the Input from Text input and click Submit. Now Servya will take a minute or so to check all of the backlinks to see if any of those links can be replicated for a decent price. Refreshing the page here, I can see that the job has finished. It took about 18 seconds and our results are ready. To view the results, we can just click the View button here to use the online results viewer. In the results viewer, we can see the list of some of the backlinks for your competitor that could be purchased. This doesn't mean that your competitor has bought these links, but it does mean that you could purchase a link on these same domains. Now in this list you can see where the backlinks can be purchased for, the starting price for these backlinks, as well as some basic stats. So you can find high traffic domains, high stat domains, whether you need do follow or not domains. You really get your choice. Now this method works for any site. You can find the sources of backlinks for any of your competitors and find ones that can be purchased in your budget, and even authority sites in your niche. This is a unique tool to Servya and it is incredibly powerful. If you want to dominate your niche, you really want this tool. Head on over to servya.com to get started today.